Every week I have a project with this van. Today's project, getting rid of the gray. So I have gray here, lower bumper, and gray in the grille. I'm going to paint that black because I'm going with a theme here. So we got chrome, and then the rim. I got chrome trim, chrome lug nuts on the rim, shiny exhaust tip right here, and then chrome rear bumper. So I want to keep it nice and uniform, so the gray to me is out of place now. So I want to get rid of that. But here's how the van looks right now. It's coming together. My big time project is going to be the lift kit. Alright, I'm all set here. I'll give this about an hour to dry before I pull off all the masking tape. And then in the grill, I just put like plastic bags so I don't paint the radiator. There it is. The gray parts converted to black. And the chrome pops out more when it's chrome on black versus chrome on gray. So I like the look. So I didn't need that extra gray color because it was only this bottom part and pieces of the grill, so it's more uniform now. So black and chrome, shiny exhaust tip, chrome bumper. There it is. Now to daydream about the lift kit. Daydream about the day I finally get the lift kit on this. It's gonna